Welcome to channel 11. Today I'm going to give some simple example about the slots in Vue.js. So first I will start from the components first. So normally in Vue.js, components we're going to use for using functionality. So let's go to code first. So this is my component. I have registered here like navigation icon link. So this is template I am using for UI purpose. This is the property. This is the data. And this is my template. It has one hyperlink inside my template. Here I am using my component in application, that is a navigation icon link. So I am assigning value to my property. Let me go and run here. So it's working fine. Let me go and again. So if you want to reuse this functionality, just shortcut for the format in Visual Studio Code is Control Shift Alt F. So it will automatically refactor the code, format the code. Let me go and refresh this. If you see here, it got created multiple times, so I am reusing that. Let's suppose some example. Let's go for example. We want to change this text dynamically, so I don't want to use the same text for all cases, and that so for that I want to add my text here, like this is the third. Let me save and refresh this. Let's see how it works. So if you see here, nothing has changed, even though if I try to pass the text, it's nothing has been changed. The same text is coming here. So to achieve this function, this type of functionality, Vue.js provide the slots. So what is the functionality about slots is we just mention the declare the slot here. That's it. So that's it. So I just create the slot variable inside of my hyperlink. So let me go and check how the output is going to be. If you see, observe here, the usage of slot here is automatically, so I can able to bind my required text between the component, between the tags using slot. So here you can assign any type of data you want. You want some span, HTML, also it can accept class. I think we don't have any bootstrap here, so let me go and type. No, I will go for simple thing, h4. So it got bolded. So in that case, what is saying is you can assign even HTML text also in slot. Any type of text you can add inside that. That is one of the benefit. So dynamically I can able to change the text using slots. There is some other examples also I'm having right now. I will go and that one also I'm going to explain you. So if you observe here, I am assigning HTML text here, I am assigning normal text. For all cases, I am dynamically changing my hyperlinks text like this. So till now we have seen slots. Now I am going to give you about the default slot. So give some text. So for this component, I am not going to assign any value. To implement that, we have the option we can implement here, like we can. So this is the zero component. So this is the default value if you don't assign uh, any value for slot. So let me go on. So for this component I'm not assigning any text. Let me go and check here. See, this is zero component. So this is the default value for the slot. Now I am going to explain about named slots. So this is the one slot here. Suppose if I wanted to go for multiple slots, we have the concept called named slot. I am going to give example right now. Friends, I have already prepared one of the example. This is the named slots. So if you observe here, I have the different slots here for my header and main and footer. So here I have defined my names here, where my header details needs to go, what is the details for my header, what is the details my footer. So if we don't mention any header here, it considers as a default and display will come automatically. This is my syntax. So here I am declaring the slots as I mentioned here. Let me go and run this one. It came automatically. This is header, it's main, it's footer. I hope understand this simple example. Here I have I have explained about the what is the slots, how you are going to use the slots, and their benefits, and how many ways we can use the slots in Vue.js. And we have some other concept scope also. And this time I could not able to get the example here. So future videos I'm going to explain that one also. Thanks for your time. Have a nice day.
Thank you for watching my video. Please like it, share it and also subscribe my channel for more videos.